Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to check Facebook email address used to register your account. It's super easy, so let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Now click on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now I want you to scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Now click on Settings. Now I want you to scroll all the way down until you see Profile Details. Now click on that. And scroll down until you see Contact Information, and just below that, you will be able to see your email address, the one that's registered to your account. And that's all. That's how you check Facebook email address you use to register your account. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!